Hi, today I will be reviewing and showing you this new resource that I found. It is called Quill. I'm using Quill through my web-based browser, and it may be one of the most exciting resources that I am sharing because I just have not found anything quite like it. As someone who struggles with writing and grammar, I thought that this was very similar to what Grammarly has to offer if you've ever used Grammarly, but it is more directed towards student-centered learning and presentations for teachers. So if I did not mention already, Quill is a grammar and writing website to help students become stronger writers. I just think that that is so cool. I went ahead and did a few basic steps in creating my account. I created a class, and I've noted that you can import your classes from Google Classroom if you use Google Classroom. I don't have anybody logged in yet, but what I really want to dive into is the activities that are offered through Quill. So as you can see, you can start with a diagnostic, like most of these websites that give you data and are helping differentiate for your students. They do have a diagnostic assessment to place your students at their recommended writing level. You can simply explore the library and assign activities. Obviously, a lot of writing is going to be geared toward the upper grades, high school, things like that. But what I liked was that there were primary level skills on this too. So I think it can be beneficial for so many grade levels. I'm going to browse this featured activity pack that I think is so cool because you can lead whole class lessons. Writing is one of the hardest things for me as a teacher to teach and one of the most frustrating for students to learn. So I think that this is really, really cool because it gives you the slides that you need to be working on. For example, if I'm doing this prepositions pack, I can preview it and it shows me on the preview what the students will see on the screen, how you will be teaching it, and it also shows you a preview of the activities that we'll be doing. It is so awesome because it gives you real-time feedback, and I think that that's one of the hardest things in writing. So it says we write this sentence with the correct underlined word. Obviously, it's going to help with typing too. And it gives you that immediate feedback. So if you get the answer incorrect, okay, it's telling me to proofread my work. I need to check my spelling. So it's probably referring to, oop, my professor likes to hold discussions in the evening. So for those quick workers, maybe like me, then you are getting that immediate feedback. It's asking you to recheck that, and I think that that can be one of the most stressful parts for kids, but maybe seeing it on a screen would feel a little different. So as I said, it helps you lead whole class, but you can also individualize it. It also gives you the ability to look at student reports. So again, building that data piece, you're looking at summaries, analysis, diagnostics, what concepts they're not understanding, and so much more. If you go to that teacher center, there are so many things that are available to you and so many learning tools that are there to help you and your students. So obviously this would be a great thing to present to teachers, give them a professional development session on how you could best use this to supplement your writing in your classroom, but obviously your target audience here is going to be your kids.